Hello, good morning. This is the service of Toyota Hyryder. I will be speaking in English and हिंदी। ये टोयोटा हाईराइडर का फर्स्ट सर्विस है जो लगभग अभी 1200 चल चुका है। ये लखनऊ में सनी टोयोटा में जो चिन्हट में स्थित है वहाँ पे सर्विस होने गया है। फर्स्ट सर्विस मैं ही इसका ओनर हूँ। तो आई विल बी शेयरिंग द सर्विस एक्सपीरियंस। दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द कार how I have bought. It was in a very dirty condition and it was not washed for a single time also. Now the supervisor was allotted and he has inspected the car and a service tag was installed in the car. The car was parked for the time being. Then it was all the top up was done and tire pressure was also checked. It was a very large workshop situated. Several other cars like Land Cruiser, Fortuner, etc. were getting serviced. After that it was taken to the washing. The washing area was very much technical and it was very sophisticated machinery was there, and it was a long queue. After 2 to 3 cars my turn came. After a waiting, it took about 5 to 6 minutes for per car to be cleaned. So you can see here my car was taken to the for the cleanup in the system. So the robotic arms with washer and liquid foam was applied. So as you can watch it, first the arm is spraying some foam in it. So there was some small dent also, it got cleaned as of now because of some hit by e-rickshaw. It was a slight which was cleaned easily by applying the cutter and after this wash. So you can enjoy the view which I was also enjoying standing at that time. So those who are using Hyryder in the present time, I would like to ask you that whether the sunroof, while the sunroof is kept opening, whether the central lock is working or not. Okay, you can check it. But in my case, I had also talked with the company persons. They told that this is in Toyota. This system is not provided. That whenever you will be doing a lock, the sunroof will get closed automatically, but in other brands the sunroof gets locked as soon as you do the central locking automatically. But in Toyota, you keeping the sunroof open, you can keep the lock, do the central lock done. The service was very nice and it was done as per the commitment of the time. It was almost took almost 1.5 hours, and include a 30-minute test drive also, so that if everything is working properly. Some brake oil top up and coolant top up, and the washer fluid was also refilled. This device only cleaned the outer part. The inner part of the vehicle was cleared manually, which was done by their technicians, with manual as and vacuum cleaner. So it was done, and now the person will be taking the car to the place where it is will be done cleaned where there will be done the manual cleaning of the inside parts. As it is Hyryder is a hybrid version, it is Toyota Hyryder hybrid V model, and so the company instructed not to clean it from the underground, so water jet was not given from the below the vehicle, as there is EV and battery is placed in the lower part. Other vehicles like Innova Krista or Toyota Camry or Corolla, all were given jet stream from below the vehicle. So you can see every part, even the back was cleaned very properly. So now it is done, and this is the final picture. You can see from the past that how I took the car to the dealer and how it came back after service. This was the first service. It need to be done for after covering